We've all seen it, the near misses, the reckless driving, the moments where we think, did that really just happen? The road, my friends, is a stage set for both triumph and tragedy. And while we all hope to be starring in a feel-good road trip montage, the reality is danger lurks around every corner. 5 seconds to disaster. 4, 3, 2, 1. Learn from these mistakes before it's too late. We're about to dive deep into the driving mistakes that could cost you. Exploring everything from distracted driving to the importance of a well-maintained vehicle. This isn't just about passing your driving test. This is about protecting your life and the lives of everyone around you. Like, subscribe and comment your favorite driving tip below. Let's make our roads safer together. Okay, let's get real for a second. That text message, that Instagram notification, that TikTok dance you just have to see, none of it is worth risking your life over. Distracted driving is like the plague of the 21st century. And it's not just about texting, eating, putting on makeup, even deep conversations. They all take your eyes off the road and your mind out of the game. Imagine this, you're cruising down the highway, jamming to your favorite tunes, and bam! A car slams on its brakes in front of you. Do you have time to react if your eyes are glued to your phone? Spoiler alert, you probably don't. Staying focused is crucial, folks. Your life quite literally depends on it. We all love the idea of feeling the wind in our hair, hopefully while wearing a helmet, but I digress. But the need for speed can lead to some seriously dangerous situations. Speeding reduces your reaction time and makes it harder to control your vehicle. And if you're tailgating on top of that, well, you're basically asking for a fender bender. Remember, folks, the road isn't a racetrack. It's a shared space where everyone is just trying to get where they need to go. Keep a safe distance, obey the speed limit, and resist the urge to channel your inner Vin Diesel. Trust me, your insurance premiums and your sanity will thank you. This one might seem straightforward, but you'd be surprised how many people seem to think lane markings are just decorative suggestions. Proper lane usage is about more than just staying organized. It's about predictability and communication. When you weave in and out of lanes without signaling, you're essentially playing a high-stakes game of surprise roulette with everyone around you. And speaking of signaling, those little blinky lights on your car, they're not just for show. Use them. Indicate your intentions before changing lanes, turning, or merging. It's like sending out a polite heads up to your fellow drivers, letting them know what you're up to so they can react accordingly. Communication is key, people. We've all heard of blind spots, those pesky areas where other vehicles seem to vanish into thin air. But you know, knowing they exist and actively checking them are two very different things. Before you change lanes or merge, take a good long look over your shoulder. And I mean really look, not just a cursory glance. Think of it like this. You're about to step into a crowded room. Do you just barge in blindly, or do you peek your head in first to make sure you're not about to walk into someone? The same logic applies to driving. Checking your blind spots takes a split second, but could prevent a major collision. Rain, fog, snow, oh my, adverse weather conditions can turn a pleasant drive into a white-knuckle experience faster than you can say hydroplaning. When the weather takes a turn for the worse, it's time to adjust your driving accordingly. Reduce your speed, increase your following distance, and be extra vigilant. And please, for the love of all that is good, if you can barely see the car in front of you, pull over. There's no shame in waiting out a storm. Remember, your safety is more important than arriving at your destination on time, sir. Defensive driving isn't about being overly cautious. It's about being aware of your surroundings and anticipating potential hazards. It's about thinking 2 steps ahead, like that chess game you always lose to your grandpa. Scan the road ahead, pay attention to the drivers around you, and be prepared to react to unexpected situations. Remember, not everyone on the road is as skilled or attentive as you are. And if you're thinking, hey, I'm a great driver, that's exactly the kind of overconfidence we're trying to avoid here. By driving defensively, you're essentially creating a safety bubble around your vehicle, increasing your chances of avoiding accidents. Okay, maybe not a full-blown spa day, but regular vehicle maintenance is crucial for safe driving. Think of it like this. Would you trust a chef who never washes their hands to prepare your food? Probably not. The same goes for your car. Regular checkups, oil changes, and tire rotations might seem like a hassle, but they can prevent major problems down the road. And don't even get me started on the importance of properly functioning brakes, lights, and windshield wipers. These aren't just optional extras, they're essential safety features that can mean the difference between a close call and a catastrophic accident. Take care of your car, and it will take care of you. So, there you have it, folks, a crash course, pun intended, in avoiding common driving mistakes. We've covered everything from the perils of distracted driving to the importance of respecting Mother Nature's wrath. But remember, knowledge without action is like a car without an engine. It's not going to get you very far. So go forth, my friends, and be the safest drivers you can be. Obey the rules of the road, stay alert, and never underestimate the power of a well-timed shoulder check. Because at the end of the day, driving should be about freedom and adventure, not fear and regret. And hey, if you ever find yourself questioning whether or not to send that text message at a red light, just remember this video. Your future self will thank you.